Hey, it's Andy with IT Supplies. One of the most stunning print forms in the industry are metal prints, printed on aluminum ChromaLuxe panels. The high-gloss mirror shine metal combined with vibrant dye sublimation inks makes for an incredible result that always stops traffic at trade shows and in our office. We've helped some of the largest metal printers in the country perfect their processes, and today we're going to give you the top 5 ways to make the very best metal prints. Whether you're making metal prints today or you want to begin making metal prints, if you'll follow this list, we know you'll get the very best results. So let's get right to it. Number 1, use a sublimation printer. Now this might seem obvious, but a lot of metal prints are done with UV or latex flatbed printing. If you want the very best metal prints, you need to use a dye sublimation printer with a polyester coated aluminum panel like those from ChromaLuxe. Nothing else offers the same vibrance and clarity of dye submetal because every other print technology lays ink on the surface of a substrate. With sublimation, you're fusing a gaseous ink into the surface of the metal without any texture. This is what gives you that high-end mirror gloss finish that people love. Number 2, use the smallest ink droplet. That mirror gloss finish is a blessing and it's a curse. It looks incredible, but it also shows every dot without any texture to hide behind. For this reason, we recommend using Epson sublimation printers because they have an ink droplet less than 5 picoliters. Many sublimation printers in the industry are geared to print fabric, and they don't offer a small enough droplet size for metal prints. Number 3, print unidirectionally. It's not enough to have a small ink droplet, you then need to fire it with precision. The best way to do this is to print in a unidirectional mode. Unidirectional means that the printer will only fire ink while the print head is moving in one direction, rather than bidirectionally, which is both directions. While this slows the printer down, it will give you the most clarity and sharpness to your print. With metal prints, that clarity is so important because every detail is laid bare on that glass-like surface. Number 4, use the best quality paper. Now that you're using a small droplet size and firing it with precision in a unidirectional print mode, it's critical that you use a transfer paper with a coating that will grab that ink drop and fix it in place without spreading. Most dye sub papers are made for high-speed textile printing, where the focus of the transfer paper is to accept ink as quickly as possible and dry that ink at 1,000+ square feet per hour. With metal prints, you need a different paper with a different goal. We're only printing at about 100 square feet per hour, and we need a paper that will keep the ink drop exactly where we lay it. For this, we recommend Epson DS Transfer Photo Paper or our own SubliPro Vivid Transfer Paper. While these papers cost a few pennies more per square foot than cheaper multi-purpose transfer papers, they will give you the very best results. If you're printing on ChromaLuxe, you're already spending $10+ per square foot for the metal, so it makes sense to spend 5 cents more on paper for the very best results. Number 5, pay attention to time, temp, and pressure. After you've made your print on transfer paper, it's now time for the critical step of transferring your image from the paper to the metal. For this step, you'll need a quality heat press that delivers consistent and reliable temperatures and pressures for a standardized time. We recommend pressing at 400 degrees with 60 to 70 psi of pressure for about 60 seconds. You may have to play with the dwell time of the metal depending on how large the panels are that you're using. The best presses for large metal panels are Geonite maxi presses. Make sure that you're using an air automated press so that pressure is delivered consistently across the surface of the platen. These are my top 5 tips for producing gallery-worthy metal prints. We've spent nearly a decade learning the art of the metal print, and we'd love to help you get the very most out of your own prints. Visit us at itsupplies.com and give us a call today to troubleshoot your heat press settings, to try our paper, or for help profiling. We'd love to help. If you're thinking about buying a new sublimation printer for metal, let us help you make the best choice of printers by visiting our Chicagoland Demo Center or coordinating a remote demo with one of our knowledgeable team members. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and have a great day.